Mechanistic modeling completely replaces experiments. Myth or fact? Myth, for now. A mechanistic model relies on first principles based on physico-chemical phenomena and requires estimating a number of model parameters specific to the case under investigation. The evaluation of model parameters is typically done based on a set of well-targeted experiments. We're not yet able to get quantitative, reliable predictions of chromatographic processes without performing any experiment to estimate model parameters. But in some relatively simple cases, such as predicting aggregate removal by size exclusion, prior knowledge can be used to run completely digital simulations to identify rough qualitative trends. Contact us to learn more.